Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chamba Jacob. It has been long, and today I would like to show you on how to answer this exam question. This is question 5. This is Cambridge. So let me show you the front page. So if you have never seen Cambridge exam question paper, this is how it looks like. This is paper 2, and for the instructions, you are allowed to use a calculator. Okay, so this is IGCS. Whether you're doing ECZ or Cambridge, uh, the idea of answering cubic function exam question is it's almost the same. It's just the same. So now I'll try to answer this exam question. It came in 2017, IGCS. So kindly confirm if you're able to see what, if it's visible, you're able to see what is over here. And I'll show you on how to answer this exam question. So to those who are writing ECZ and Cambridge, this is how the question or the exam question is asked. So here we have been given a cubic function. This is a cubic function in that there is power 3 over here. So the first question, oh, thank you very much, Sheila. Thank you very much. The first question, they are saying complete the table. So if you are able to see nicely, it's almost, let me just say, it's just the same as ECZ, because there is, under ECZ, they will give you a question, like they'll give you a letter, and they will ask you to find the missing or the value of that letter. So here they're just saying complete the table. So in order for us to complete this table, we need to find the value which is supposed to be here, of which we just need a calculator here. If you want, you cannot use a calculator, but we use a calculator in our case. And what we are going to do here is to just write or punch on our calculator. So since we have the cubic function, which is y is equal to x power 3 minus 3x minus 1. So where there is x here, we are going to put 3. Okay, so it will be 3 power 3 here, 3 inside the brackets minus 1. So why am I putting this 3 over here? The reason is simple. It's because the number or the value we want here is under y-axis. If you can see nicely, this is y-axis. So under y-axis, and under x-axis we have a 3, and this is a 3 I'm using. Okay, we'll just put it where x is, and then you can now punch on your calculator. You say 3 power 3 minus 3 open bracket, 3 there, close, minus 1, and you find that your value or the value of y is 17. So the letter which is missing here is, the number which is missing is 17. So we put 17 here. Okay, so we have answered question question 5a. We've put 17 here. We now go to B. For question B, they are just saying on the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to x power 3 minus 3x minus 1. So the same idea applies, okay, the ECZ idea. The only difference here is that for ECZ, you need to, they'll give you the range where you need to find, to make the Cartesian plane on your graph paper, but with IGCS or Cambridge, you are given this. They've done it already for you. You see how simple is it here? They have done it for you. So your duty now will just be to be plotting these coordinates here. So the first is negative 3, 19. So negative 3, 19 will be somewhere here. Let me do this. This is negative 3 over here, 19. This is 20 and 18. So between 20 and between 18 and negative 18 and negative 20 is somewhere here. So this is where the point will be. The next point will be negative 2. This is negative 2 comma negative 3. So negative 2 comma negative 3 will be, let me move it a little bit like this, will be somewhere here, because it will be between negative 2 and negative 4. That's where negative 3 will be. The next point will be negative 1 comma 1. It will be somewhere here. So in case you don't know how to plot or what I'm doing here, you can ask me so that I show you what to do, or I explain fully. So the next thing here will be negative 0 comma negative 1, sorry, 0 comma negative 1. It will be somewhere here. Next point will be 1 comma negative 3. 1 comma negative 3 will be here. Next will be 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 somewhere here. The next will be 3 comma 17. So 3 comma 17. 17 must be between 16 and 18. So it's supposed to be here. So now you can join your graph, or you join the point, sorry. So I'm using a pen. You're not supposed to use a pen. You need to use a pencil. So this is how you do the graphing. So we can now check the question here. They are saying, using your graph, solve the equation. So I think the idea is just the same as it is in ECZ. So if you know how to answer exam questions, it's ECZ. That is cubic function, cubic exam question. You'll be able to answer IGCS. It's almost the same. That's why that's why I've not even shown you on how to plot here. I know you know how to plot. You know how to make this. In case you don't know, you can still let me know so that I can send you the link of the video on how to plot. So here, using the graph to solve this, you just go to your graph. So this is our graph here. You just check, where is this graph passing? Where is it cutting the x-axis? It's here. It's at 1.8, and here negative 0.4, and here it's at I think here I didn't plot it nicely. It was supposed to pass here like this. So it's at negative 1.5. This is how it is. So these are the solutions. So you write them over here. One is 1.8. Another one is negative 0.4. Another one is negative 1.5. So these are the three solutions. So okay, let me just I'm going to cut so that I check if the video is clear, because I don't know if it's clear. To me, it's showing that it's clear, so it may be showing that it's clear and yet it's not clear. So I'll continue the live broadcast in the next maybe 5 minutes after I check if the video is clear.